Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah hari ini Kamis tepat pada tanggal 7 Agustus 2025 miladiah bertepatan dengan 13 Safar 1446 Hijriah. Kita dapat berkumpul dalam undangan keluarga besar Bapak Prabowo dan Bunda Mardani STUD MKM dalam rangka resepsi wanita kelulusan dan cinta yang bernama Lilis ST dikarenakan cinta putra dan Bapak Budi dan Ibu Suryani yang bernama Aris dan Aris.
Say I never think about you at all, most of the time. Maybe it's the way the clouds are painted a perfect shade of yellow all across the sky. Or maybe it's the way the times are changing and I'm stuck in the middle, frozen in a fire. But baby, you're on my mind.
Doors will open, doors will close. In the basement of my dreams, there's somebody I ignored. Yeah, I'm a fool, don't be surprised. I don't ever think about you at all,
but right now I just need you to know. Perfect shade of yellow all across the sky. Or maybe it's the way the times are changing and I'm stuck in the middle, frozen in a fire. But baby, you're on my mind. Crystalline casually, our love was what it had to be. You showed up like you're still attached to me. Our love was what it had to be.
Maybe it's the way the clouds are painted a perfect shade of yellow
all across the sky. Maybe it's the way the times are changing and I'm stuck in the middle, frozen in a fire. But baby, you're on my mind.